That's a freaking giant smallmouth. Holy cow. Hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now, rod benders. We're back again today in scenic downtown Dayton, Ohio. Standing ankle deep in the Great Miami River. Wanted to do something different today. I thought I was going to try and catch some suckers and some catfish. I was going to use my stinky dip bait for the catfish, but I left it at home like an idiot. And that stuff is expensive, so I didn't buy another tub. So we're going to try and catch some suckers and then use them to catch the kitties. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, you'll never see this, so it doesn't really matter. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you've done so already, thank you very much. And without further ado, let's get after them. Okie dokie, gang. In that other video I made where I finally managed to catch a sucker, I was catching him on about half a night crawler on this little hook deal I got right here. I like to leave some tail to wiggle. I'm waded out on a little island here, but it like shelves off here out into some deeper water. Maybe there's some suckers hanging out in there. Any other forage fish I can cut for bait will do. Let's see what's happening out here. Old trusty rod. Bass Pro Shops Micro Light. Light action. 6-pound Berkley Vanish fluorocarbon Fluger Try-On. Dirty as hell. I need to clean this thing. Yeah, it's super shallow over there where I've seen suckers congregating before. Didn't see any of them. This drops off here. We got a night crawler on there. Anything will eat it. They're doing construction. Freeways running by. Doesn't get much more urban than this. Just gonna let it sit on the bottom. I just got that tiny split shot. And it looks like it's not real snaggy here. Kind of gravelly. So we don't have to worry about getting hung up, hopefully. Wait for something to come along and scoop it up. If we're lucky. It's kind of a circle hook on there. I don't really need to set the hook. Just reel into the fish. So even if something grabs it and I'm not aware of it, hopefully once I start reeling in, it'll be there. Water's definitely cooling off. Fall is coming. Fall is here. Feels good though. First week of October. It's a beautiful day for some fishing. Beautiful day to get some bend. Try something different. I like to mix up the types of fishing I do on the channel. All different species are fun to catch for me. They bend this rod, and there aren't many fish that can't. They are welcome to join the party. I'm under attack. Yellow jackets are a pest this year. I think something might be biting that. Look at him go. The world's smallest smallmouth. He's pretty though. There he goes. Alright folks. We're riding the struggle bus. Couple of tiny smallmouth. No bait fish. Gonna keep on moving around till we get something going. It's a bite. That's a nice smallmouth. It's not what we're looking for, but we'll catch one of these whenever we can. He was just chilling out right there by that rock. He picked up my worm. Great Miami River smallmouth. Yeah. It's good. On the worm. Barely hooked in the lip. Cool. It's a pretty one. Yeah. Let's let him go. It's a nice one. Oh, he bit me. He chomped down on me. Cool, bub. We'll catch them fish any day, anytime, any way, any reason. Even if we're not trying to catch them, we will take those fish all the time. Yes, sir. We're getting bit here, folks. That ain't a bait fish. I got a tank on. I don't know what this is, but it ain't small. Battery might die here on me, folks. Luckily I got old Ashley with me here today. We might be able to two-part this some gun. There's something big on here. Just gonna have to take her time with whatever the heck this thing is. Could be a kitty, could be a carp, light action rod, 6-pound line. This fish is putting it on me, whatever it is. Don't fall in the water. I think it's a nice carp or a sucker. Yeah. It's carp. Nice carp. These things don't quit. Definitely gonna have to retie after this. Don't want to make that mistake again. Look at that dude. It's a big one. Come on, bro. Oh! Look at that guy. Yeah. Chunk. Probably a 10 or 12 pounder. 6-pound line. Old piece of night crawler. Old carp dude. A lot of people don't like him, but there ain't a much harder fighting fish out there, I'll tell you that. I need my pliers. He swallowed it. sweet. That came right out. Big old carp. Chunky guy. Can you take my picture with your phone?
Yeah.
If the camera dies before we let this go guy. This guy go. I can't be responsible. Big old carp. I'm not going to use him for catfish bait. He's too old, too big. I ain't going to sacrifice a fish this big for a couple pieces of bait. There he goes. Well, that was pretty exciting. Big old carp on the night crawler. 6-pound test. Retied the hook, rebaited. We're back out in the current. That might be the first ever carp I've caught on purpose in the mouth. Definitely the only carp I've caught on purpose in the mouth for the channel. Pretty cool. It wasn't a bad one either. Those things fight. We got him in, we got the hook out, we got him released safely. Win-win sitch. Okay. Found a little secluded pool here. Saw some bluegill swimming around in it. Maybe we can catch one of them dudes for kitty bait. Try to accomplish our mission. Even if we don't, that's all right. We caught a carp in the mouth today. Unprecedented. Hey, all right. Perfect. Little bluegill for cat bait that we want. Yes. Gonna get rigged up and get that tied on there. Sorry, dude. This ain't gonna end well for you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I got like a 1-ounce egg sinker on here, barrel swivel. About a 1.5 liter to my bluegill guy here. He's nice and lively. Got kind of a slow-ish eddy situation going on right out in front of me. I'm gonna pop him out here. Right there where all those current seams are kind of coming together. Loosen up my drag a little bit so my pole don't go away. See what happens. If you hear that thing clicking, yell at me. Clicking. Could just be some crap floating through downstream. Yes. Live bait catfish. Presumably. That was a big bluegill. That's a freaking giant smallmouth. Holy cow. On a live bluegill. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my God, this could be PB. Dude! Donkey! Donkey! Giant freaking smallmouth on a live bluegill. That's huge. I don't know if it's my PB, but that's a big one. That's probably 4.5, 5. That's a donkey. Let's stick it on the pole. It goes, all right about to that orange band or blue band right there, maybe a little bit more. Woo-wee. Cool. Yes, that is a donkey. Giant live bluegill smallmouth. Holy freaking cow. Dude. Chunk. Chunky Saurus. Let's let him go. This is awesome fish. Awesome fish. He came and gulped that live bluegill. Huge. Huge. Sweet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Heck of a day, rod benders. Heck of a day. Tried a food chain challenge. It worked out. Not in the way that we thought it was going to, but we'll take a fish like that any day of the week. Beautiful fish. We'll try this again sometime. We'll get out here and get some good kitties, hopefully. But that was a pretty cool smallmouth. Caught a big old carp. A couple other little fish along the way. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Watch another video. Until next time, go get some bend in your rod.